Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you amazing recipe to remove wrinkles and fine lines permanently and to get rid of wrinkles and eliminate deep wrinkles and fine lines naturally, guys. With very simple ingredients we can prepare this super effective blood enhancing, it's better than Botox remedy. So the first ingredient we will need to prepare the recipe is 1 teaspoon of milk, then we need to add on it around a half teaspoon of ginger powder, extracted ginger powder, and you can use fresh ginger instead. If you don't have ginger powder, you can use juice fresh ginger and get the 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice. Now mix the ingredients. Then add on it 1 teaspoon of baby oil. Here I'm using Johnson baby oil. And mix the ingredients super well like so. Now apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust. Apply generous amount and massage your skin with it like so. And it's going to remove the wrinkles for you. It's recommended to use it at night before sleep in order to get the best results ever. Leave it on your skin and wipe it off with a tissue paper and go to sleep. In the next morning you will notice that the wrinkles got eliminates deeply, and it's going to get you elasticity. It's improving the elasticity of your skin and it's super effective. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.